So how do you actually make and upload a 10-minute TikTok video? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'm about to simply guide you on how you can actually make and upload a 10-minute TikTok video. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have updated the TikTok application to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in TikTok and then go ahead and simply update the application to the latest version. And after we've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to simply open it. And then you also want to make sure that you are actually logged into your account. And after you are logged into your account, you can see that this is how the home interface of the TikTok app is actually going to look like. Now, how do we actually create and make a 10-minute TikTok video? So in order to create a 10-minute TikTok video on TikTok, first of all, we're going to simply go about creating a simple post. And in order to do that, what you want to do is simply tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. As we tap on the plus button, we'll be taken to this page, and here you can see that we have the option to actually upload a 15-second video and record it, and record also a 60-second video, as well as record a 3-minute video, but you don't see the option above 10 minutes. So the thing is that if you're actually recording on TikTok itself, you can only actually record up to 3 minutes. However, if you're uploading it from your device, if you already do have a TikTok video rendered and edited already and you want to upload that, you could actually upload above 3 minutes, which is up to 10-minute long video. So I'm going to simply show you. So what you want to do is simply tap on this upload button at the bottom right hand side of the screen. As you tap on this upload button, simply allow the permissions. And here you can see it says introducing 10 minutes video. You can see it says you can now upload videos up to 10 minutes long. So you can see that if we are recording the video from the TikTok app itself, you can record up to 3 minutes. But however, if you're uploading a video from a gallery, you could actually upload up to 10-minute long videos. So you can simply tap on OK right over here, and then go ahead and simply select any video that you might actually want to upload right over here. You can go ahead and simply select any of the videos. For example, let me choose above 3 minutes video right over here. If I choose this video, let's say this is the video which I want to upload, and this is actually above 3 minutes, you can go ahead and simply select the video and then post it in that way. We hope this video was really helpful. Make sure you understand that you can actually upload a 10-minute TikTok video but not actually record it through the app itself. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you've got any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.